Okay, my video got cut off, so this is the second part to the one we were just doing. We said 7 plus 3. Okay, we used our number line. We started on 7, and we bounced 3 more. 1, 2, 3, and ended us up at 10. 7 plus 3 more is 10. Let's try this one. 5 plus 2. We're going to start on the first number. That's 5. Put a little dot here. 5 plus how many more? Plus 2 more. So we're going to bounce. Bounce 1, bounce 2. And where do we land? We land at 7. It's easier than using our fingers. Now we're going to talk about something else today. We're going to talk about the word pair. Pair. P-A-I-R. What is a pair? Well, when we say a pair, like a pair of bunnies, okay, could mean a pair of bunnies. It could mean a pair of birdies. So just looking at those, how many is in a pair? 2 is in a pair. A pair means 2, like 2 bunnies or 2 birdies. Now here's another word we're going to talk about. The word is couple. What does couple mean? That's not very neat because I'm writing sideways, but couple could mean a couple bunnies or a couple birdies. So what does the word couple mean when you hear it? It means 2. 2 birdies, 2 bunnies, 2 stars, 2 eyeballs that you have on your face. It's a couple. It's a pair. There are 2 things that go together. Now, I'm going to erase this real quick. And then we are going to do a drawing. So I want you to pause this while Miss Parris is erasing. And I want you to go get a piece of paper. And I want you to get a pencil or a crayon. And let's get ready to draw something. All right, here we go. Now, we just talked about bunnies. And we talked about birdies. So I thought we'd draw a bunny, and I thought we'd draw a birdie. Are you ready to draw those? All right. Drawing takes good listening skills, so make sure you're listening. All right? First thing I want you to do is I kind of want you to draw for a bunny. I want you to draw kind of a, let's see, like an oval head. Well, and right where you leave this little space, let's put a little ear. Okay? All right. Got it? Let's add another little piece of the ear over here, because we know bunnies have how many ears? Yep, they have 2 ears. Okay? But a bunny is not a head and ears. A bunny is a whole body, right? So we gotta draw its actual body right here. So let's see if we can do that. Let's add a nice roundish body. That's looking kind of bunny-ish, isn't it? I know my daughter, her favorite part of a bunny is its fuzzy wuzzy tail. She thinks they're so cute. Make sure you add a tail. And let's add little feet. Aw, isn't that cute? Okay, he needs more than this though. Let's add a little line here. Okay, 2 little lines. See those? Let's add little whiskers. 1, 2, 3. And I'm going to trace this ear over here to make it look like he's got more of an ear. And then I'm going to give him a little eyeball. There you go. There's your bunny. Maybe I'll add a little bit of whiskers over here. Alright. And you could add to your bunny if you want. Let's try to draw a little bird. Okay? Alright, birdies, you ready for your turn? Okay, let's draw a piece of a circle to start with. And let's keep it just a little open, almost like a C. Okay? Alright, now we're going to give it its little beak. And come in, make a triangle right there. Aww, it's got a little head. Let's put a little eyeball on it. But a little chick or a little bird is more than just a head, so it needs a little body. Let's see. I think we should do oh boy, that's not right. Let me try again. The hunchback birdie. There we go. There we go. That looks better. And give him a little birdie wing. And 2 little birdie feet. My mom always told me to put their feet like this, so we're going to do their feet the same way. My mama always told me. Alright, there's your little trick. And your little bunny. Remember, 2 of something is called a pair or a couple. 2 of something. Okay? Alright. You guys did a really good job. Thank you for drawing with me. Maybe you should try drawing them again, or even drawing them and coloring them. That would be fun. Alrighty, have a good day.